This is me and my toy cars. Now, I've been collecting these things my entire life. And yes, I've had a lot of time on my hands to make this silly video. First up, airplanes and helicopters. Next is my big rigs. Next is my city utility vehicles, sport utility vehicles, Jeeps, and trucks. Next up are my vans and buses. Yeah, A-Team, baby. And if that doesn't drown your drawers with excitement, here are my taxis and shuttles. And of course, for those who like to travel in style, we can't forget my fancy schmancy limos. Next up on showcase are my Lincolns. After Lincolns, we have Ford and Mercury. And here's my entire collection of Ford Mustangs. And after all these Mustangs, we have Chevrolet. And along with my big collection of Chevrolet, we can't forget my entire collection of Corvettes. Next up, Oldsmobile. Then we have Dodge and Chrysler. And no, I ain't racist, I just like the General Lee, okay? Next up, Pontiac. Next is my collection of beautiful Buicks. What it is, cuz. Moving on to the Japanese side of things, first up, Honda and Acura. And then of course we have I Love What You Do For Me, Toyota. Next up, Mia Mazda, por favor, mi color. Next up is my collection of Nissan. Now, as we depart from Japan's finest four-wheelers, we now move on to England's vehicles, where we first start with British Motor Works, otherwise known as BMW. Following these fine BMWs is Volkswagen. Next up is some of Britain's finest, Jaguar. Another England favorite, no thanks to the James Bond movie, The Spy Who Loved Me, is Lotus. Next up is my collection of Austin Healey's and Aston Martins. After seeing England's best, we now visit Deutschland. First up for the German, Mercedes. Okay, this? And then we have Audi. And of course, the ultimate German speed demons of the Autobahn is Porsche. Okay, guys and gals, time to leave the Deutschland area and enter the world of Italia. First up, Ferrari. Oh yes, oh yes. Now, in my opinion, and as awesome as this huge Ferrari collection is, no Italian toy car collection is complete without Lamborghini. Okay? Alright, time to close out this street legal vehicle collection and take a close look at my racing stock cars. And even faster than my racing stock cars is my collection of Indy cars. Okay, time to take a gander at my futuristic and concept cars. Now, no concept car collection is complete without my toilet cars. Now, no collection is complete without fire and ambulance vehicles. And no city is safe without all these police cars. And these police cars? And these police cars? Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I did making it, and thank you for watching.